Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock and also Rivian, Lucid and Ford. With that, now I'll show you QQ and SPY as well because market is open. Now the most important thing I want to talk about is Tesla and how good it is looking like today, right? But let's go over the couple of things we talked about, the levels, and has we formed this pivot at the $203 level with the 200 days moving average confluence. And also, if you have been seeing my videos, you are aware about why I give this level so much of importance, also due to the fact this was an inverted head and shoulder neckline, which on the weekly interval, technically we are still holding these higher lows here, right? So if this has to turn a pivot on weekly interval, we definitely want to stay above and close above $203. So all that good stuff we are seeing. Now, what's going on today? So what I talked about for today was, yes, we are in the bearish, technically negative structure, but can this now turn the structure around? That's the question right now. So the thing is that, let's go to the 1 hour interval first. So I provided you this box here, right? I provided you this box. I told you that if we can stabilize above today this 208 and 48 cents through this blue box, things may start to turn intraday upside again. Let's go to the 5 minutes. Things will get much more clear there, right? So this is the box I provided you, and you just have to do what is extended, right? And if we can, so this is where we were yesterday. If we can get above 208 and 48 cents and stabilize here, this thing, Tesla may look good for today, right? Intraday strength may come, upside may come, and Tesla is just doing that. You can see also my structural indicator gave, kept it, around. Once we start bullish, stayed strong above that structure. You can see it for a couple of minutes also turned red, but most of the time it stayed bullish, and this is a clean, clear breakout because the level, as said, is 208 and 40 cents. We stabilized above that. That was the level to watch, right? And the cloud is giving us that support as well. And eventually now we are seeing a final good breakout as well to the upside. So all in all, Tesla is strong, okay? And this is the zone I was talking about, 208 and above, that as we stabilize above it, Tesla intraday may continue higher, and we are getting that continuation to the upside. So yes, Tesla seems like it's wanting to close bullish today, right? So let's go to the hourly interval to talk a couple of more things there. We are showing good strength with the pivot as well now, right? So that's also the whole premises, is that we are forming these higher pivots again. Now, this thing still comes down to, guys, this 200 hours moving average. And most importantly, if we can close above 210 and 76 cents, that's another win because we have closed above a previous recent high as well. That means we are still holding the structure in the this higher highs, higher lows, right? Now, this is the next level that you are watching is 212 and 66 cents and the 200 hours moving average. Technically, that's still an overhead resistance eventually in the whole process that we are ongoing. So let's see if we eventually get out of it, but that's the direction it is in, and we are having some good strength on Tesla, as I just talked to you guys about that. Things are looking better, and the levels I provided you, we stabilized above those, and from there on we are continuing higher. That's why it's very important to trade with the level and the structure, right? I'll just keep this blue box for now, but eventually I'll get rid of this because we have made the use of that blue box, right? I don't need the blue box up here now, right now, so I'm just gonna get rid of that. All right, so that's Tesla for the day. There's nothing different or extra special on this, guys. So it's just that this pivot is looking good for now, and let's see if we can continue higher up from here. All right, Rivian. So Rivian, unfortunately, is still selling off at that area. I'm telling you, it's through the supply zone, right? It's still technically holding a bullish structure, but I'm telling you, there's two levels of weakness on this. One is once it loses $14.13, that's first level of weakness, and then this is the last line of defense, $13.64. It's rejecting in that supply zone, the red supply zone, right? So that's that. All right, so yeah, it's like a little bit of a dicey game still. On hourly interval, this was the level. If we could have stayed above this $14.13, sure, it was an upside play, but you can see the market even just opened bearish red, right? So we just continued lower. So Yeah, it's just going choppy, guys. And I'm telling you, there's no point in planning bullish if we lose $13.64 area that one, right? So that's that. That's Rivian. Let's take a look at Lucid. Lucid cooling off, trying to stabilize, but it's cooling off. We'll have to take a look at if. So this is the level I provided you for yesterday, right? $4.10. If we get above it, then only I see some strength. We are still rejecting today as well, just the test of that, right? Let's go to the hourly interval. You can see it tries to come back up, right? But this is the level I talked about, $4.10. Only above this, I see a strong, again, another move. We are still rejecting that there. Let's see. I still say that strong move will be above $4.10 or a confident confirmed move. Otherwise, yeah, let's see if it can hold these pivots. So technically, structure overall hasn't turned bearish on this. Structure overall is still technically bullish structure, but let's see if this can get above $4.10. That's important for us to watch. All right, that's Lucid. Let's take a look at Ford. Ford is doing its thing. Now, this is the level. If we lose $10.98, we will come down to 20 days moving average. If we can somehow hold this, it can. If we can stay above $10.98, there still remains an upside play, at least to 200 days or 50 days moving average zone. These levels of pivots, you get my point, right? Just level by level to the upside. But structure can get to some weakness or cool off if we start to lose $10.98. All right, let's take a look at QQ and SPY. So SPY, as I talked about in the morning as well with NVIDIA video, that structure is technically still bullish on SPY until this blue box that I have put here. As long as we still stay above it, this is just a sideways action in the bullish structure, nothing more than that. If we lose this blue box, some cool off may come to 20 and 50 days moving average, but that doesn't mean it's bearish. It's just that cool off is just accelerating. QQQ. For QQ in the morning also I talked about this may very likely be the pivot on 20 days moving average, just above 20 days moving average. We want to see a close strong above 473 and 80 cents to confirm this as a pivot. Right now we are still selling off, so yeah, this all comes down to if we close strong above 408 and 73 and 80 cents. All right, so that's that, guys. So that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care, bye. Also, guys, don't forget to check out my dividend investing channel. Link to this channel is in the description below. This is where I hold my dividend portfolios. I have NVIDIA position, Tesla, Amazon, QMAX, that is, NASDAQ ETF almost, and then finance ETFs, utility ETFs, energy ETFs, everything. And I have been building this portfolio now for 3 months. And every update I make, I share over here. Any position, in or out, I make dividends. All information is over here. If you are interested to follow along, please subscribe here as well. Link to this channel is in the description below. And also if you need access to my tools that you see on my videos, links to those tools are also in the description of this video below. All right, guys, take care. Bye.